Hi, my name is Mark Clarence Emanova from Grade 10 Lacandula. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang service information of a light dimmer. Ano-ano nga ba ang service information of a light dimmer? First is a flow chart. Second is the process. Third is the SOP or Standard Operating Procedure. Lastly is a customer index. So, ang unang pag-uusapan natin ay ang flow chart. So, what is flowchart? Flowchart, a diagram that uses graphic symbols to depict the nature and flow of the steps in a process. Next is process, a series of action, change, or function bringing about a result. Next is SOP, or Standard Operating Procedure. These are the safety protocols of how we work a light dimmer. And last is a customer index. Is the information of the customer, the contact, product or brand of the unit, the complaint, the condition, and initial diagnosis of the technician. And why is it important? This is used to lower the brightness of a light. Service information for a light dimmer is important dahil kailangan tama at kumpleto ang informasyon in servicing a